Steve Laguerre. I'm the Assistant Sales Manager for Meat here with Jewel-Osco. Today I'll be helping Mark teach a class. My primary function for this class is I'll be processing meat and showing the customers different ways how to process certain primals.
Okay, the meat we're going to be cutting today is a whole boneless pork loin, which is the New York strip of the pig. The other one we're going to do is an eye around. Both these are boneless pieces of meat that are very simple to cut, and something that we actually sell in the bag to make it easier for the customer to save a little bit of money, and we're going to show them how to do it today. Anybody ever eat grass-fed meat? You like it? That's a natural animal. That's what the animal is actually supposed to taste like. But if you have a grass-fed steak next to a corn-fed, grain-fed steak, they are going to be way different in flavor. The loin is basically the same exact principle. You see right here, this kind of looks like that we called the porterhouse a minute ago. You guys see that? The porterhouse has the tenderloin. It has the boneless pork chop. This is basically the New York. Off the animal right here, this is the rib end. This is the loin end, and it comes into the sirloin end.
On a pig, that's what the sirloin is. See the calf here? The difference between a sirloin and the centerpiece is that's where it runs into. As this gets fattier, it's just not a more desirable
You can actually
piece.
show them, like say if you look right here, we call these seams. You can actually pull this whole muscle off. It's like just a seam off the animal. I think one of the coolest things about meat cutting now is it's kind of a crafty, cool thing. You know, they got craft beer. We consider this a very cool trade and a very cool craft.
We just finished up the Jewel Chop Shop event. It was great. Got to learn about cutting meat, the different types of meat. Here at Jewel, we partnered with Jewel and HORMEL Foods. Really had a great event.
Thanks so much to Jewel for this great presentation today, and thanks to HORMEL for the great cuts of beef. We learned a lot today about how to use a pork loin and beef and different cuts that we can do to save money.
Thank you, Jewel, for putting on the event. Thank you, HORMEL, for the meat, and thank you, Mike Ditka, for giving us the cigar. The event was very informative. My favorite part was learning the different types of cuts that you could use to cook with.